Hello guys and welcome to this 172 German Infantry winter uniform from Italeri review. We're going to be opening up this box set and taking a quick look inside. So as I say review, it's more of an unboxing just to see what's inside. I'm not a historian, so I'm sure there's rivet counters out there that will know a lot more than I do. But I want to have a look at the contents of the box. Now this is a little bit past my tutorials. I've already had 2 tutorials released that's covering these models, so I already know what's inside of them, but this was a pre-tutorial when I was actually filming this, so we can have a look and see what you get inside this box. So as you can see, you get 3 stands of the same sprue type. Now on the sprue you get a variety of different figures. The figures are in a mixture of poses, so they're either really relaxed like this guy in the grey coat, or they're in sort of like an action pose like this guy. There's no sort of in between like marching or anything like that. There's a mixture of equipment and weaponry. I really like this guy firing the grenade from his rifle. I think that's a really good idea. Not too keen on the MG42 there, it doesn't look quite right to me, but the rest of the figures look really good. I love the action pose of the STG44 there, and the mixture of equipment. So they've got plenty of equipment and different varieties of clothing. So you've got guys in winter jackets as well as those greatcoats, and they're looking really good. Plenty of equipment on them as well, from their canteen to their gas masks to their mess tins, bayonets as well, shovels too. So there's plenty to paint, plenty to look at and admire. Italeri have done a fantastic job here, or I'm not exactly sure if this is an SC sculpt or if it's an Italeri, but yeah, really well done. They're a hard plastic, so they're very easy to clean up, and there's minimal flash on here as well, which is another fantastic bonus from this set. So yeah, this is what you get in the set. There's 12 figures, so not a massive variety of poses, but not too bad actually. I'm pretty happy with this set. So I've covered Italian pattern. Well, actually I haven't. It's not come out yet, but it will be coming out very soon. It will be available for early access next week. So for those that are interested in joining the membership program, you'll be able to get early access to the Italian pattern. But we have covered the oak leaf pattern. So this is the spring oak leaf pattern. I also cover the autumn variant of this pattern as well. So if you want to check that out, I'll leave a link to the video just popping up on screen now, or you can see it's one of my most recent videos. And then my most recent video is the German in the grey coat. So I've covered 2, we've got a third on the way. If you want to check those out, please do go ahead and watch them, and let me know in the comment section how you found this video. But until then, I will catch you at the next one.